What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted PS4 games. Method: you press the option button to say delete the game. So I'm going to delete this game right here, FIFA 20. Say deleted, and I'm going to show you how to get it back easily. Okay, I've deleted the FIFA 20. As you can see, I don't have it on my library anymore, or my list of games. So in order to recover it, all you need to do is log into the account you bought the game with, or the account with our PlayStation Plus. Just simply go to the PlayStation store and then scroll all the way down to library, press X, and then scroll all the way down to purchased. Now you're gonna see the list of games you've purchased. As you can see, there's FIFA 20 there. It says not installed. Just press X, and you're gonna see the option to download. Just simply press X again, and as you can see, PlayStation Plus has been added to my download folder. So PlayStation Plus has been added to my download folder, and it's downloading as we speak. And that's all you need to do. Now you can just back out and wait for the game to download, and once it finishes downloading, you can start playing straight away. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.